So let's make this specific to that product innovation, product management sort of
Yeah.
job. And I don't know if you have an example you want to take us through or where you want to start with this, but just how you have seen how you've put it into use, how you've seen it put in AI tools put into use to help us with the planning, ideation, prototyping, getting ready for launch, any aspect of our product work. Would love to hear an example or ideas that you've used.
Absolutely. I think, Chad, one thing that it gives you is, again, just superhuman speed is the
Hmm.
thing that comes from these tools. It might not be the best, but just the speed is not something that a human can do. So, given that, it lets you iterate on concepts really fast. So, just last week, I was talking with an entrepreneur who had an idea. And it was a really good idea. And I won't get into too much of the details, but at a high level, it was using some AI tools and it had something to do with analyzing video. And it was a great idea. And we were kind of walking through, like, okay, well, how do you make this work? And like, what's a rough timeline? It was very much a product discussion we were having of like, okay, what's the one thing we can build to test this? And as we're walking through that, we just kept on challenging ourselves to, okay, that's a 4 week solution. What can we do in 1 week? And then we kind of walk through
Hmm.
that again and again. I'm like, okay, that's 1 week. Well, what's a 1 day version of this to be able to test out this concept? Always trying to get to the bare bones, like what's like really important, what really matters in there. And we kept on doing that and iterating. Now you could do this without AI, but one of the things that this gives you is it's an amazing coding partner, for one.